Out in the expansive acreages of Springbank, or the quiet, refined crescents of Aspen Woods, neighborhoods known for their sprawling luxury estates, the modern world is still loud. When the evening air finally cools, stepping into a spa should be about entering a private theater of restoration. A home is a curated collection of experiences. Those experiences require a foundation that remains completely steady when exposed to the elements. Achieving true outdoor luxury requires a meticulous dialogue between beautiful, high-performance aesthetics on the surface and invisible precision engineering underneath. Building a retreat around water means you have to master material science. Without that mastery, a quiet moment of relaxation rests on top of inevitable structural failure. The primary enemy of any outdoor structure is persistent moisture. We're talking about the heavy splash from a late-night swim, or the slow, steady drip of melting winter snow. Traditional wood absorbs that water. The wood fibers swell, leaching out natural tannins, which are bitter, astringent chemical compounds found in plants. And eventually, that trapped moisture accelerates organic rot. This diagram shows the engineered solution to that decay: premium capped composite decking from brands like TimberTech, Trex, or Fiberon. These boards are manufactured using up to 95% recycled wood fibers and plastics. Because the core is completely encapsulated by a synthetic polymer shell, the material physically rejects moisture absorption at a molecular level. Basic wood requires constant staining and sealing to survive. These premium composite lines offer absolute waterproof and stain-resistant performance right out of the factory. Mastering this surface material is the mandatory first step in engineering a deck that actively defies the natural environment it inhabits. An indestructible surface only solves half the problem. Beneath those composite boards lies the vulnerable, unseen underbelly of the deck structure. Gravity dictates that water will always seek the lowest point. It drains through the decking and targets the microscopic, hidden crevices right where the composite boards intersect with the raw wooden substructure. When moisture lingers in these tiny gaps, it breathes silent decay within the wooden joists, the horizontal framing members holding the deck up. Surface-level beauty becomes completely irrelevant if the foundation it rests on is quietly rotting from within. To eliminate that substructure rot, engineers utilize an advanced butyl preservation shield. High-grade butyl tape, a flexible synthetic rubber adhesive, must be meticulously applied to the crown of every joist. Its real value is a self-healing mechanism. When a metal screw punctures the shield, the black butyl material instantly squeezes tightly around the threads. This creates an airtight, waterproof seal. It permanently separates the wet composite deck board from the dry wooden frame, completely neutralizing the threat of trapped moisture. True excellence in luxury building is found in this silent, unseen protection. It is the guarantor of multi-decade structural integrity. As the sun sets over the distant hills of Okotoks and the twilight fades across the Calgary skyline, the environment undergoes a final metamorphosis. Here, world-class in-light smart outdoor lighting systems are integrated directly into the deck's architecture. In-light systems use a safe, low-voltage 12-volt network to power LED fixtures specifically designed for landscape and architectural use. These fixtures act as a tool to sculpt the night. They cast warm amber glows that highlight the deep, rich wood grains of the composite boards and catch the rising steam from the spa. Strategic illumination turns a highly engineered platform into a seamless atmospheric retreat that functions 24 hours a day. It comes down to combining three core elements: the high-performance composite surface, the hidden butyl shield protecting the frame, and the precise atmospheric lighting. A true sanctuary requires a meticulous, uncompromising dialogue between aesthetic design and permanent engineering. That level of engineering mastery guarantees that a standard backyard build becomes an enduring legacy, one that outlasts the elements and remains structurally sound for decades.